Dr. Dave Fabi here, orthopedic surgeon, hip and knee replacement specialist here in lovely San Diego. All right, so more on recovery. Let's go to the recovery room and check out a patient that just had a hip replacement. There he is. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
What surgery did you have?
I had a total hip replacement.
Yeah, we got done about an hour or two ago. How you feeling?
Wow. Feeling good.
Yeah?
Coming around, yeah.
Okay, good.
The actual pain is gone.
Yeah.
For the most part. The aching, the soreness, the tight muscles. It's good.
And you're super active, right?
Very active. Yeah. Swimming, surfing, lifting weights, riding bikes. I've kind of overused my body, and then the slight trauma on the left side from, you could feel my femur hit my pelvis a year ago, and lo and behold, an unbelievable amount of cysts and a lot of pain and walking.
And limping. I remember it, yeah.
I could walk 3/4 of a block, and then the pain would start in the hip. Walk a block back home, and it was just almost unbearable. My walking progressed. I thought I was getting better, but what I really saw was my left foot was turned out all the time at a 20-degree or more angle, and that's when I realized, oh my goodness.
It's time.
Yeah. Yeah, and when you can't set up on a surfboard, or when you can't go for long walks, even long walks as in a mile or 4 blocks, it's just, you got to do it. And at age 52, a super jock, I was in complete denial. And I'm pretty happy. I was a little terrified coming in here.
Of course,
and
surgery.
The whole process, your staff.
Yeah.
Very, very helpful, very easing. And you, of course, explaining to me.
No.
It's
round of applause for the staff.
Yeah, the staff. Very professional, very quick. Being sedated, going under everything. I don't even know that it happened.
Yeah, awesome.
And
awesome.
I'm really happy with that. And I've seen firsthand your work from a gentleman I work with. And he's had 2 hips, one by another doctor, one by you. Yeah. And he sings your praises. And I'm sure I'm going to sing them as well.
Yeah.
And I've seen the result. So it was a lot of denial at age 52, a lot of denial for, Superman.
Yeah. And
it's something that had to be done.
You're going to do awesome, man. You're going to do awesome.
Thank you.
So thanks for allowing us to help you.
Yeah. And I am smiling under this.
Yeah. You can see it in his eyes.
Appreciate it. Yeah. And it's a quality of life situation. You can put it off like I did as much as you can, and you get used to the pain, but your attitude changes, your personality changes from just the slightest pain each and every day.
Yeah.
And putting it off, it couldn't do it anymore. Couldn't do it anymore. And you compensate, but you need to get back to life. We don't know how much longer we have, but the time you have, you need to be 100%. And this is an opportunity that exists. And when I first came to the issue, I had a friend who'd rattle off 6 names of people who did it, and I didn't know. And it's just, like I said, quality of life. Your life's short. Do it right. Do it healthy, and enjoy it the best you can. And so there's a process that helps you.
We'll surf down the line.
Yes, surfing. Surfing and the long walks in the mountains and simple things like that. Just long walks, and I mean long walks, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. To me, that's a long walk now. Yeah. And to be able to do that with my fiance and my friends, it's important. It's important. So.
And you're going to sleep in your own bed tonight, right?
Yeah, that's what's amazing. I'm going to sleep in my own bed tonight. I'm actually going to walk.
Yeah.
So, I'm really thrilled.
Awesome, man.
Your staff
awesome,
is
man.
phenomenal people. So
Thank you.
Thank you.
Proud of you. So.